Namaskar. Many people feel really hungry in the evening. They look for something delicious and healthy to eat. Today I am going to give you some 5-minute recipe for wholesome snacks. These will not only satisfy your cravings but also nourish your body. First recipe is sprout chaat. For this you will need 1 cup mixed sprouts which are steamed or boiled. Mixture of boiled corn, tomatoes and cucumber as per your needs. Chaat masala, cumin powder and black salt to taste. And fresh coriander leaves for garnishing. Mix all these ingredients in a bowl. Then sprinkle chaat masala, cumin powder and black salt. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves and your first evening snack is ready. This chaat will give you mixture of protein, vitamins and minerals from sprouts along with fiber-rich vegetables goodness. Second, peanut chaat. Take 1 cup roasted peanuts, chop tomatoes, get chaat masala, lemon juice and salt to taste. Combine all the ingredients in a bowl. Add chaat masala, lemon juice and salt. Mix well and eat. This crunchy snack is rich in protein from the peanuts and had the freshness of tomatoes and cucumber. Third, mixed puffed rice. You will need 2 cups puffed rice, chopped tomato, cucumber, raw mango as per your liking. Chaat masala, turmeric powder and salt to taste. In a bowl, mix puffed rice and chopped vegetables. Add chaat masala, turmeric powder and salt. Just toss everything together and enjoy. This is also a very light and crunchy snack which gives a low calorie and satisfying feeling. Fourth, cucumber and carrot, even beetroot sticks with hummus. Cut cucumber and carrot into sticks and serve them with hummus for dipping. Homemade hummus is best. Again, this is a low calorie, fiber-rich snack option which is loaded with vitamins and antioxidants. Fifth, methi thepla roll. You will need whole wheat thepla, paneer or cottage cheese cubes, mint chutney and sliced bell pepper. Spread mint chutney on thepla, place paneer cubes and slice bell pepper. Simply roll this thing up and secure with toothpick. Cut into smaller rolls. These methi thepla rolls will give you a balanced combination of carbohydrate and protein. Fifth one and last recipe is makhana and nuts mixed. For this, take 1 cup makhana, 2 tablespoons almonds chopped, 2 tablespoons cashews chopped, 1 tablespoon raisins, 1 tablespoon ghee and salt to taste. Heat ghee in a pan, roast makhana in this and make it crispy. Add chopped almonds, cashews and raisins to the pan. Stir well and roast for another 2 to 3 minutes. Sprinkle salt, mix it well and eat. Here we have a blend of protein and healthy fat and rich in antioxidant. It provides sustained energy for the evening. So next time, if you feel the pangs of evening hunger, remember these easy to make snack options. These snacks are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients, making them a perfect choice for evening cravings. Remember to adjust the seasoning according to your taste preferences. Each of these healthy snack options is like an investment in your own health. Along with this, you must also follow a good lifestyle routines like exercising daily, drinking sufficient water, sleeping well, making time for relaxation. All this will be like taking a holistic steps towards a happier and energetic, enthusiastic life. Namaskar.